The APM is a PG level course providing the MSc degree from Mewar University. And I would say that the aim of this APM course is that when students join the industry, he should become the independent solution provider to the problems of the industry. And that is why we train them in varied fields related to the industry, like industrial production of apparel, apparel merchandising, basic design elements of apparel, research and product development, and also the quality management. And apart from these subjects, we also train our students and tell them about the ethical issues. So that what I feel is that when they start earning, they should work hard and earn for themselves, but with some human touch towards the society and their colleagues. That is my aim, and this is how I like them to be trained. And you see that this is the mix of all the management subjects as well as the practical subjects, which are imparted to them not only by theoretical inputs but by practical inputs and hands-on experience through the industry internships and industry projects. And this is why our students get a wholesome package in this course. And these students have been getting the placements in varied areas of production management and quality, merchandising, as well as fashion coordinators. And it is very interesting that even the retailers nowadays are taking APM students as customer relationship officers. One of our students, Ashima, is now a team leader with Tommy Hilfiger as a customer relationship officer. You know why? Because these students are very thorough about the product knowledge. They have very strong product knowledge, and that is why these people are very helpful in the retail industry also. So I would say that this is the most sustainable course for the future for the students. And any student from any background, any graduate student from the background, whether from commerce or science or humanities, not only from fashion, they can join this course if they really want to have the career in fashion industry, apparel industry. And as on my personal front, as a coordinator, I think that my role doesn't end only as a faculty teacher, but my role is of a guide and a mentor. And I really help students after going to the industry also. If they have any problems, I really guide them and I mentor them actually. It's not only the teaching and training, it is making a good human being with trained and skills.